Hi students, good morning to all. I am Nasira, your SS teacher. Me and Faisal sir taking SS for you. Faisal sir has completed 4 blocks, right? Yes. Some of you know me. I was the SS teacher in the last year. Some of you are SS teacher in the last year. Do you know me? Okay. I hope Faisal sir has completed 4 blocks from this SS, right? I hope you did that homeworks or workbook and notebook. Did you get the answers? Practice question answers from the block 4 and the block 3, all the blocks. Okay, I hope you did it. Today we are going to discuss a new block. I am going to start our block 5. Let us start our block 5. Name of this block 5 is our country. Our country. Which is our country? Yes, everyone know that. Which is our country? Yes. Which is our country? India. India is our country. We all are living in India. We are Indians, right? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about our country. Okay. Do you know where is it located? There are many countries in the world, right? Yes, where is it located? Every countries are located on the continent. What is continent? Here, our keyword, continent. What is continent? Continents are the huge land masses that we have studied in the 3rd standard, right? Do you remember it? Yes, we have studied Earth contains land mass, land and water bodies. There are 5 oceans and 7 huge land masses. So, continents are huge land masses. Huge land masses. There are 7 continents in the world and 5 oceans. Every country located in a continent. India is also located in continent. We will look at this map and find out where is India located. In which continent? I told you that continents are huge land masses. These are the huge land masses. These are the land masses. This all shows land masses and blue color shows water bodies. This is the world map. All of you look at this map and find out where is India located. Everyone please look at the map and find out where is it located. Yes, where is it located? Here. This is India. India is located in Asia. There are 7 continents in the world, which are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and the last one, Antarctica. It is not there in your textbook. Just understand how many continents are there. 7 continents are there, which are Asia, Africa, Europe, then South America, North America, Australia, The last one, Antarctica. This blue colors shows water bodies. Understand? Okay, so India is located in Asia. This is the largest continent in the world. India is located in Asia. It is the largest continent in the world. So, do you know which are the direction? When we find a place from the map, first we have to know directions. That we have discussed in the 3rd standard. Can you remember it? How many directions are there? Yes, how many directions? 4 directions are there. North. Which are the directions? Yes. Can you say that we have studied? Here, which direction? North. Then south. Which direction is here? West. Then east. These are the 4 directions we have discussed. Okay, here north, south, west and east. So, India is located in southern part of Asia. India is located in southern part of Asia. Understand? So, we locate the place or location of India from the world map. Where is it located? Where is it located? In which continent? Yes, India is located in Asia. India located in Asia. Then I will show you map of India. This is map of India. This is map of India. Here blue color. It shows the 3 parts of India surrounded by water body. 3 parts of India surrounded by water body. And here this brown color shows that we have discussed the brown color shows mountains. So this part lies Himalayan mountain ranges. Okay. Can you see the direction? Here, north direction, north part of India, Himalayan mountain ranges lies to the north part of India. Then, Arabian Sea lies to west and Bay of Bengal lies to east and Indian Ocean lies to south of India. Understand? India surrounded by 3 parts of India, surrounded by water body. In west, Arabian Sea, west of India lies Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal lies in east, Indian Ocean lies to the south and Himalayan mountain ranges are there in northern part of India. Okay, do you understand the boundaries of India? These are the boundaries. West boundaries. West. What is west? West Arabian Sea. Then east Bay of Bengal. East Bay of Bengal. Then south. What is south? Indian Ocean. Then last one, north. North, yes, mountain, Himalayan mountain ranges. Himalayan mountain ranges are located in northern part of India. Right? Okay. So, here we have discussed the location of India. We find out the location from the world map. India is located in the continent Asia and boundaries West Arabian Sea, East Bay of Bengal, then South Indian Ocean, North Himalaya. And we have some neighboring countries too. Nepal, Bhutan, then Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, then Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. These are some neighboring countries of India. Okay. We will look at the map of India. Where do you live? In which state do you live? In which state? Yes, we all are living in Kerala. Kerala is located here, this part of India. Kerala is located in India. What comes to your mind when I say India or which city? Which city or which town comes to your mind when I say India? Any cities comes to your mind? Yes, many cities are comes our mind. Which are the cities in India? Cities or town? Yes, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Trivandrum. These are some of the cities and towns in India. Understand? Today we will learn about our first chapter or first lesson from this block, state and capitals of India. In India there are many states and capitals, many cities. Today we will learn about our first chapter, first lesson from this block. First lesson, state and capitals of India. What is our aim? Aim to locate northern and eastern state of India from the map. Our aim is to locate north and eastern state, north and eastern states of India. So, state, what is state? Today we will learn about states and capital. What is states? This is also state. We are living in Kerala. Kerala is part of India. So, Kerala is also one of the state in India. Understand? Yes. So, state means small part of the country. State means small part of country. State means small part of country. India divided into many parts. They are states. India divided into many small parts. They are states. Each state has its own capital. Where is the capital of Kerala? Yes, where is the capital of Kerala? Trivandrum. Each state has its own capital. Their capital as their main town and main city in that state. So, capital means main city or main town, main city or town. Today we will learn about state and capitals of India, our main aim is to locate north and eastern states of India. All of you take your notebook and draw a column. All of you take your notebook. All of you be ready with your content book, workbook and notebook. Did you take your content book, workbook and notebook? Okay. Take your notebook and draw two columns. Northern state and eastern state. You draw this column to your notebook, northern state and eastern state. In this lesson, we will look at the map of India and find out which are the northern state and eastern state. How many states are there in India? Do you know how many states are there in India? Yes, there are 29 states. 29 states are there in India. But there are 18 states in northeastern part of the country. Northeastern part we know that there are 29 states. That means India divided into 29 small parts. Each state has its own capital or main city. Today we will learn about northern and eastern state. There are 18 states are there in northeastern part of the country. Can you say where is the northeastern part of the country? We have to locate the northeast. We know that. Which is the northeast? I show here directions north, east. So this is north, here east. Some states are here. These states are known as northeastern state. Okay. I will show you political map of India and we have to find out the northeastern states of India. Ready? If you have your content book, you have to take this page. You have to take this page. Our block 7 using a map. Here there are some states. This is the political map of India. If you don't have political map, you can use this political map to find out this northeastern state of India. Okay. Here political map of India. This is north, this is south, west and east. Where is northeastern state? From here to here. This is the northeastern states of India. All of you open this page and look at the map. Find out north state and eastern state. I will give some time to find out the state. Okay, all of you look that map and find out the state. Ready? Okay, all of you open this page, page number 37 and find out which are the north states and its capital and which are the eastern states and its capital. Okay, ready? You can do. I will give some time to do that. Okay, if you're watching this video, you can pause the video, then you can look this map and find out the answer. Okay, let us start that completion of this table. Okay, I am going to do that. All of you listen. Northern state. Which is the north tip state? Which state is located in north tip of India? Yes, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir. Then which is the next one? Yes, this yellow color, Himachal Pradesh. Very good. Himachal Pradesh. Then which is the next one? Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand. Then next one, which is the next one? Yeah, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Here, which one is this? That pink color. Haryana. 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 The next one, Punjab. Punjab. Okay. We have find out some states in northern part of India which are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. Okay. Then we have to find out eastern states. All of you look at this place. Here many small states are there. Here 7 states are located. That 7 states are called 7 sisters. That states are called 7 sisters. It is located in northeastern part of the country. These states are called eastern states. Some of other states also including in eastern state except besides these 7 sisters. Which are the 7 sisters? Can you say here some states? Okay, I will say Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. These are the states that they are known as 7 sisters and they are located in eastern part of the country. Can you say any other state from the eastern part of the country? Yes, which is this? Which state is this? Bihar. Bihar. Next one. Yes, Odisha. Odisha. Then, did you find out it? All of you look this side and find out the state and its capital. Okay, West Bengal. And we have discussed here 7 sisters. Which are they? Yes. Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, These are the some eastern states of India. You can find out more eastern states. Northeastern states are 18 states. In northeastern part of India, 18 states are located. Okay, so today we have discussed that the location of India. Where is it located? We know that India is our country. It located in which continent? Asia. All the countries are located on a continent. India is also located in Asia. There are other 6 continents are there. Continent means huge land masses, right? Okay, continents are huge land masses. India is located one of the continent, Asia. Then we have discussed that state and capitals of India. That means we have only discussed that northern and eastern states of India. And we also discussed that the location and north border Himalayan mountain ranges in this East Bay of Bengal. This west of India lies Arabian Sea, south of India lies Indian Ocean. And India is divided into many small parts. They are known as small parts are known as state. Today we have discussed the states and capital. Especially we have discussed northern states and eastern states. Which are the northern states? The states that located in northern part of the country, they are known as northern state, which are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab. Then eastern state, the eastern part of the country, here the eastern part of the country, some states are located, they are known as eastern state, which are Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh. These are the eastern states of India. What is important to locate a place on the map? What is important? Knowing direction is important. We have to know direction, then only we can locate the state from the map. First we have to understand, we have to recognize which is the north direction, which is the east direction. Then only we can understand which are the states are under the north states and which are located in eastern part. That I have drawn here north, west, south and east. You have to find out more states and capital. It's your homework. I will write here homework. I will write here. Finish S1, read your content book. Read content book. This is your, and find out capital. Find out capitals of northeastern state. Northeastern state. These are your homework. Finish S1, read your content book, find out capitals of northeastern state. Okay. So, today I am going to wind up this session. I hope you understand this session. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Okay. We have to do our S1 from this block 1. Here there are some hints given. You have to read these hints and look at the map from the content book and find out the answer right here. Okay, are you ready? If you have any doubt regarding this, you can contact me. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.